Radhe Radhe, Happy Guru Purnima. Today is Saturday, 20th July 2024, and on this special auspicious occasion, here we are to present you this recap video for today's Bhagavad Gita recitation session. We went through a review of part of chapter 11, continuing along that chapter 11 glorious journey. So we'll present to you a few words quickly on Guru Purnima perhaps, and a few of the verses of chapter 11. As always, here with me is Mummy.
Radhe Radhe everybody, and wishing you all very happy Guru Purnima. Guru is the person, the saint, the God-realized soul that God sends on this earth to guide us towards God realization, us ignorant souls. So with loads of gratitude to our Guru, here we start the recitation about the Jagat Guru, when he showed his Vishwarupa Darshan to Arjun. So we'll start with the revision of chapter 11. We did up to verse 35 in the session. Here we'll give you just a preview of few verses. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha अथ एकादशोऽध्यायः विश्वरूपदर्शनयोगः अर्जुन उवाच मद् अनुग्रहाय परमं गुह्यम् अध्यात्मसंज्ञितं यत्त्वयोक्तं वचस्तेन मोहोऽयं विगतो मम इहैकस्तं जगत्कृत्स्नं पश्याद्य सचराचरं मम देहे गुडाकेश यच्चान्यद्द्रष्टुम् इच्छसि
अनेकवक्त्रनयनम् अनेकाद्भुतदर्शनम् अनेकदिव्यभरणम् दिव्यानेक्योद्यत्याद्युधम् दिव्यमाल्यम्बरधरम् दिव्यगन्धानुलेपनम् सर्वाश्चर्यमयं देवम् अनन्तं विश्वतोमुखम्
किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रिणं च तेजोराशिं सर्वतो दीप्तिम् अन्तम् पश्यामि त्वां दुर्निरीक्ष्यं समन्ताद् दीप्तान्लार्कद्युतिम् अप्रमेयम् रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्या विश्वेश विष्णौ मरुतश्चोष्मपाश्च गन्धर्वयक्षासुरसिद्धसङ्घा वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्गैः सञ्जय उवाच एतत् श्रुत्वा वचनं केशवस्य कृताञ्जलिर्वेपमानः किरीटी नमस्कृत्वा भूय एवाह कृष्णं स गद्गदं भीतः प्रणम्य. So as you notice that some of the verses when we started, they were the normal shlokas and they were sung in Anustub meter. Why? Because they had 32 syllables, 8 in each pada. So the tune is different. And as we moved further, after verse number I think it starts from verse number, let me see, verse number 15. From there it starts the Tristub meter. You see, these shlokas are very long. Why? Because they have more syllables. 11 syllables per pada, so total 44. So they are sung in Tristub meter. So the tune is little different. Now I just mentioned in the class that keep in mind one or two um, words of each verse as we were explaining throughout the sessions during chapter 11. Like in this verse, Kiritinam, Gadinam, Chakrinam. So remember, there was a lot of emphasis put on Kiritinam is crown, Gadinam is mace, Chakrinam is that disc, chakra in Krishna's hand. So now, if you can understand and keep that form in your mind, then everything will be visualized. So now, if we look at this verse, a crown is mentioned, Gadinam is mentioned, Chakrinam is mentioned. But if you see Vishnu's four-armed form in front of you, so two arms, two things are missing. So what are those two things? As we remember, as we visualize Vishnu's form, so we realize that Padmam, that lotus flower, and conch. Two things are missing here. But if we have little bit one or other word meaning in mind, that will help us to have real feel of these verses, the way Krishna had given divine vision to Arjun, and he could see along with Arjun, we can also feel a little bit of Krishna's universal form. Over to you, Gagan.
Yeah, thank you, Mommy. That's really helpful for each of us to keep growing with the verses, just picking up a couple of words and then trying to be in those shoes to visualize or perceive or imagine whatever Arjun was fortunate to see. Just quickly, again, like in class, showing everybody the flyer. So this is a recap. Of course, it's review time. We did, as Mommy said, 35 verses today. Next time will be the remaining 20 verses and the closing prayer. So view again, chapter 11 was meant to be review chapter 11, but also to view perhaps or perceive, as we said, as much as we can, trying to put ourselves vicariously through Arjun or sitting in his shoes. And of course, as we mentioned, clock doesn't strike 12 till you get there. So we need to finish chapter 11, including this thorough review and practice over a couple of sessions. And then we shall, of course, get into chapter 12. So with that, again, hopefully inspiration and encouragement to keep practicing. Keep in touch, of course, through the portal page and keep an eye out there for announcements. So next time we meet, probably Saturday, 27th July, 2024, or in case the date changes, it'll all be through our announcements. So just keep in touch, keep track through that. Until then, once again, happy Guru Purnima, and we'll see you next time. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe. Gagan, can you sing two lines of any Guru bhajan?
Let's try. Okay, sure. Guru Charana Kamala Balihar, Guru Paratana Mana Dhanavar, Guru Charana Dhuri Sirdar, Guru Mahima Aparampar. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.